Morning, ma'am. This is my topic for activity 2, the importance of nonverbal communication. What is nonverbal communication? The transmission of messages without the use of words, including facial expression, body language, gestures, postures, eye contact, tone of voice, and physical distance. Why it matters? It helps convey emotion, establish relationships, and improve clarity in conversations. Types of nonverbal communications. Number 1, facial expression. 2, gestures. 3, postures and body language. 4, eye contact. 5, tone of voice. The role of nonverbal communication in daily life strengthens and verbal communication, expresses emotion effectively, build trust and credibility, enhance understanding in cross-cultural communications, and verbal communication in professional settings. Important in job interviews: confidence, handshake, eye contact, leadership and teamwork. Body language influences perceptions, customer interactions, smiles and gestures enhance experience. Cultural differences in nonverbal communications. Nonverbal cues vary across cultures. Example: direct eye contact is respectful in some cultures but rude in others. Hand gestures may have different meanings worldwide. Common misinterpretations and how to avoid them. Misreading body language leads to misunderstandings. Tips to avoid misinterpretation: observe the full context, consider cultural background, match nonverbal cues with verbal messages. The impact of nonverbal communication on relationships essential for strong personal and professional relationships. It help builds emotion connections, improve active listening skills. Wrap up: verbal communication refers to communications that makes use of language and expressing our ideas or emotions. Other than words, nonverbal communication involves body language, gestures, appearance, and silence. The signs and signals we convey to others using our personal and social space are referred to as proximity. Thank you.